Today we are going to study expanded form and short form. I am sure you already have studied it in your previous class. We will cover it again, this time for bigger numbers. Expanded form. If we write all the place values of all digits of a number together, it is called the expanded form of the number. Let us look at an example of a 6-digit number. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The place value of 1 is 1 ones, or 1. The place value of 2 is 2 tens, or 20. The place value of 3 is 3 hundredths, or 300. The place value of 4 is 4 thousandths, or 4,000. The place value of 5 is 5 ten-thousandths, or 50,000. The place value of 6 is 6 lakhs, or 6 lakh. Combining all the place values of all digits of the number, we get the expanded form as shown. Combining all the place values of all digits of the number, we get the expanded form as shown. If you add, you will get the short form of the number, 6,54,321.